The warning power reduced in your Nissan Ariya means that for some reason the vehicle went to the limp home mode and limited your power and speed. You may still drive, but the acceleration will be slow and the top speed may be limited to 25-30 miles per hour. There are several reasons for this warning, and it usually comes with other messages and lights that will help you understand what's happening with your Nissan. But in the vast majority of cases, the problem is with the 12-volt battery. Somehow Nissan equips the Ariya with a very small battery that quickly loses its health and degrades faster than you may think. I've seen 1-year-old vehicles in my country struggling to start in winter just because of this. And since owners don't know about this problem, they don't suspect the 12-volt battery to be the culprit of such issues in the 1-year-old car. So they spend time and sometimes money to have it fixed in the dealership. What you need to do is to charge the 12-volt battery and see if this fixes the problem. If the warning disappears but after several days pops up again, just replace the battery. You may also consider installing a bigger and better battery to avoid the issue coming back again after 1 year or so.